In today's video, I will show you how to not collect IP addresses in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want to edit. Anonymizing your survey is a critical step for data privacy compliance, especially if you need to adhere to strict regulations like GDPR or Institutional Review Board standards, and it helps build trust with your respondents so they answer more honestly. To set this up, click on the Survey Options gear icon located on the left side panel of your screen. From the options that appear, click on Security. Next, scroll all the way down the Security menu and look for the option labeled Anonymize Responses. Enabling this setting means Qualtrics will completely strip out and not record your respondents' IP addresses, location data, and contact info before saving their answers to your dataset. Make sure to toggle it on to protect their identity, and that's it. That's how you not collect IP addresses in Qualtrics.